Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got another bag tour for you guys today, and this one is actually a pretty rare vintage Dooney and Bourke bag that is still new with the tag on, so it was never used. And I estimate it's from probably the early 90s, but I'm not 100% sure on that. And it's actually called a saddle bag. I think it's the large version, and the style number is R31, and the color is Kelly green. And you can actually see that on the tag here. It's got a little sticker. Let me see if I can zoom in right here, where it says R31 and then KL for Kelly green. And then it also says Connecticut was, I think Dooney and Bourke was based out of Connecticut. I'm not really sure, but that's kind of cool. So anyway, that's what the tag looks like. I'll zoom back out. So anyway, this bag actually has already sold. I'm gonna ship it out here really soon, but I just wanted to show it to you guys before I ship it out. So this is the front of the bag. It's got the little duck, and then here's the back. And here's the little duck hang. I don't know if this is called a hang tag, but does have that, and then it's got a slip pocket back here with a little closure, and here's what the bottom of the bag looks like with this buckle closure, and then here's what the straps look like. So as you can see, the bag was never used, and then I'll go ahead and open it. This is actually a pre-tag bag, so there's no inside tag, which is kind of interesting. So here's this nice like suede like texture on the inside, and then as I said, there's no tag inside. Like on some of the other bags you would see a little tag that says Dooney and Bourke and like a serial number, but this one I would estimate was made before they started adding those, so it doesn't have one, but it does have this pocket that flips out, and it's got a zipper. The leather is still pretty stiff because it was never used, but it does zip open and close, and it's got these little credit card slots here, and then here's what the inside looks like. So as you can see, no tag, but very clean interior, never used. And here's this inside slip pocket as well. But anyway, that's what the bag looks like. I just wanted to show it to you guys since it is kind of a rare find. Wanted to show it to you guys so you could see it before I do ship it out. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.